Even though the relationship between nutrition and health has long been known, new studies have shown how important some foods may be in preventing cancer and even halting its growth. Certain meals include potent components that have been demonstrated to combat cancer at different stages, from avoiding cell damage to suppressing tumor development, even if no single food may completely cure the illness. Including these items in your diet on a regular basis will help strengthen your body's defenses. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are two conditions in which cancer thrives, and our diet may have an impact on both. Antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and minerals that support normal cell activity and repair are abundant in many cancer-fighting diets. These foods support general health and energy in addition to providing cancer prevention. 8 foods that have been scientifically connected to the prevention and treatment of cancer will be discussed in this video. You can make better dietary decisions if you are aware of the characteristics of certain foods and how they can help fight cancer. Food is a vital part of a holistic approach to health and wellness, even while it cannot take the place of medical care on its own. Let's proceed now. Number 1. Turmeric. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, turmeric is a bright yellow spice that is frequently used in Indian and Southeast Asian cooking. Curcumin, the main ingredient in turmeric, has been thoroughly researched for its potential to prevent and cure cancer. Curcumin is being studied to treat a variety of malignancies, including breast, colorectal, and pancreatic cancers, because of its capacity to stop the development of cancer cells and encourage apoptosis. Curcumin's capacity to lower chronic inflammation, a major risk factor for the development of cancer, is among its most noteworthy features. Prolonged inflammation can damage DNA, which encourages the development and metastasis of cancer cells. Curcumin functions by blocking inflammatory-causing molecules like NF-κB, a protein complex that is essential for controlling the immune system's reaction to infection. Curcumin contributes to the creation of a less favorable environment for the growth of cancer by lowering inflammation. Additionally, curcumin possesses antioxidant qualities that aid in shielding cells from oxidative damage. It increases the activity of enzymes that prevent DNA alterations and neutralize free radicals. Furthermore, it has been demonstrated that curcumin inhibits the development of cancer cells by preventing them from replicating. It can effectively limit the evolution of cancer by preventing the development of new blood vessels, which are necessary for tumors to grow. Number 2. Onions and garlic. Onions and garlic belong to the allium family of vegetables, which are distinguished by the sulfur-containing chemicals that give them their potent flavor and unique scent. It has been demonstrated that certain sulfur compounds, especially garlic's allicin, have strong anti-cancer effects. Consuming garlic and onions has been associated in studies with a lower risk of developing a number of malignancies, including those of the stomach, esophagus, and colon. It has been discovered that allicin, the main substance produced when garlic is chopped or crushed, strengthens the immune system's capacity to combat cancer by promoting the activity of natural killer cells, which are in charge of locating and eliminating malignant cells. Selenium, a mineral found in garlic, aids in the body's detoxification and helps get rid of carcinogens before they may harm cells. Garlic has also been demonstrated to stimulate apoptosis and restrict the development of cancer cells, which helps stop the disease from spreading. Sulfur compounds found in onions, such as garlic, have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities. Onions contain a flavonoid called quercetin, which has been demonstrated to lower the risk of cancer by scavenging free radicals and preventing the formation of cancer cells. Additionally, onions aid in the liver's detoxification activities, which assist the body get rid of any carcinogens. Number 3. Green tea. One of the most well-known drinks for its health benefits is green tea, which has also been extensively researched for its possible ability to prevent cancer. Green tea's main active ingredient is epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, a catechin that has been demonstrated to have potent anti-cancer and antioxidant properties. Polyphenol, which are organic substances that lower inflammation and shield cells from harm, are also abundant in green tea. EGCG functions by stopping cancer cells from proliferating and spreading. It has been demonstrated to prevent the growth of new blood vessels that tumors require to proliferate, restrict the growth of cancer cells, and encourage apoptosis, which kills cancer cells. According to research, EGCG may be especially useful in avoiding lung, colon, prostate, and breast cancers. By increasing the activity of enzymes that aid in neutralizing dangerous compounds before they have a chance to do harm. Green tea also aids in the body's detoxification processes. Regular green tea drinking has been linked to a decreased risk of acquiring a number of cancers, especially those linked to inflammation and oxidative stress. A significant supplement to a healthy lifestyle, green tea has anti-cancer characteristics as well as benefits for weight control, heart health, and cognitive function. Number 4. Spinach. Nutrient-dense, leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, Swiss chard, and other greens, provide several health advantages, one of which is the prevention of cancer. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals, these greens help lower the risk of cancer by shielding the body from the damaging effects of carcinogens. Folate, a B vitamin necessary for DNA synthesis and repair, is one of the main elements in leafy greens that combat cancer. Folate is especially crucial in lowering the risk of malignancies including breast, colorectal, and pancreatic cancer because it helps stop DNA mutations that might result in alterations in malignant cells. Carotenoids, which are antioxidants that aid in scavenging free radicals and lowering oxidative stress in cells, are also abundant in leafy greens. Carotenoids have been associated with a decreased risk of a number of malignancies, including lung, throat, and oral cancers. Flavonoids and other phytochemicals with anti-inflammatory and immune-stimulating qualities are also found in leafy greens. Chronic inflammation is a known risk factor for cancer, and these substances help lower it. Leafy greens improve the body's environment by reducing inflammation, which lowers the chance of cancer cell proliferation and development. In addition to their ability to prevent cancer, leafy greens are good for your health because they include fiber, which helps with cleansing and digestion, and important minerals like vitamins A, C, and K. The fiber in leafy greens lowers the risk of colon cancer by assisting the body in more effectively eliminating waste and poisons. Number 5. Tomatoes. Lycopene, a potent antioxidant that gives tomatoes their red hue, is abundant in tomatoes and has been well researched for its potential to prevent cancer. Although it has been demonstrated to provide protection against malignancies of the breast, stomach, and lungs, lycopene is most useful in lowering the risk of prostate cancer. Free radicals, which can oxidatively harm cells and result in the development of cancer, are neutralized by lycopene. Additionally, it aids in controlling cell division and stopping the spread of cancerous cells. Studies have indicated that lycopene works best when it is eaten in cooked tomatoes. Lycopene's bioavailability is increased during cooking, which facilitates the body's absorption and use. Accordingly, meals abundant in this cancer-fighting component, such as tomato sauce, soup, and roasted tomatoes, can be especially helpful. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene as well as other vitamins and antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, which provide further health benefits by preventing cancer. Together, these nutrients strengthen the body's immune system, lower inflammation, and shield cells from DNA damage. In particular, vitamin C aids in the healing of injured tissues and helps scavenge dangerous free radicals that may otherwise aid in the development of cancer. Number 6. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, broccoli, kale, and other cruciferous vegetables are powerful anti-cancer nutrients. These vegetables are abundant in sulfur-containing substances called glucosinolates, which are converted during digestion into physiologically active substances, including isothiocyanates and indoles. Sulforaphane, a substance present in broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables in high amounts, is one of the most researched. It has been demonstrated that sulforaphane inhibits the development of cancer cells and encourages the death of malignant or damaged cells. According to research, sulforaphane aids in the detoxification of carcinogens, the neutralization of dangerous free radicals, and the activation of enzymes that shield cells' DNA. This process is especially crucial for lowering the incidence of malignancies like bladder and lung cancer that are connected to environmental pollutants. Another substance contained in cruciferous vegetables, indole 3-carbinol, has been shown to promote hormone balance and lower the incidence of hormone-related malignancies, such as prostate and breast cancer. Moreover, broccoli, kale, and cauliflower are high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and aids in the body's removal of toxins. A diet rich in fiber has been repeatedly associated with a lower risk of colorectal cancer. Additionally, the antioxidants in these veggies lower inflammation, a recognized risk factor for a number of cancer types. Number 7. Mushrooms. Because of their ability to strengthen the immune system and promote healing, mushrooms have been utilized in traditional medicine for ages. The potent anti-cancer properties of shiitake, maitake, and reishi mushrooms are particularly well known. Beta-glucans, one of the polysaccharides found in these mushrooms, have been demonstrated to improve the immune system's capacity to identify and eliminate cancer cells. One kind of fiber called beta-glucan stimulates immune cells like natural killer cells and macrophages, which are essential for protecting the body against cancer. Beta-glucans assist the body detect and eradicate malignant cells before they have a chance to proliferate and spread by strengthening the immune system. According to studies, beta-glucans can increase the efficacy of cancer therapies like radiation and chemotherapy, while also slowing the growth of tumors. Particularly, reishi mushrooms have been researched for their potential to lower inflammation, stop the formation of tumors, and strengthen the body's defenses against cancer. Triterpenes, found in reishi, are substances that have been demonstrated to inhibit the growth of cancers and new blood vessels. Compounds found in maitake mushrooms may also boost the body's defenses against cancer by boosting the immune system. Number 8. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are high in nutrients and provide several health advantages, including preventing cancer. Because of their high levels of antioxidants, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts and flax seeds in particular have been researched for their ability to lower the risk of cancer. Polyphenol and ellagic acid, two of the special antioxidants found in walnuts, have been demonstrated to stop the development of cancer cells. These substances aid in the destruction of malignant or damaged cells, the reduction of inflammation, and the neutralization of free radicals. Regular walnut eating may reduce the incidence of colon, prostate, and breast cancers, according to research. Omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory qualities and may help lower the risk of malignancies like colon cancer that are connected to chronic inflammation, are also abundant in walnuts. The high concentration of lignans, a kind of phytoestrogen that has been demonstrated to have anti-cancer properties, in flax seeds makes them another potent food that fights cancer. Lignans may be especially helpful in lowering the risk of hormone-related malignancies, such as prostate and breast cancer, by assisting in the blocking of estrogen's effects in the body. Flax seeds include lignans as well as fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which promote a healthy digestive tract and lower inflammation. By encouraging regular bowel movements and facilitating the body's more efficient removal of toxins, the fiber in flax seeds also supports healthy digestion. In order to lower the risk of colorectal cancer, this is very crucial. By encouraging the elimination of trash and carcinogens from the digestive tract, a high-fiber diet has been demonstrated to dramatically reduce the incidence of colon cancer. Your diet has a significant impact on both lowering your chances of developing cancer and bolstering your body's defenses against it. You may improve general health and lessen the internal environment that encourages the development of cancer by including a range of nutrient-dense, cancer-fighting foods in your diet. The 8 foods included in this video are abundant in substances that have been demonstrated to prevent DNA damage, lower inflammation, and stop the formation of cancer cells. A balanced diet that contains these potent foods can be an essential component of a comprehensive strategy to prevent cancer, even if no one meal can prevent or cure the disease. Adopting lifestyle practices that promote well-being, such as consistent exercise, quitting smoking, and stress management, is crucial in addition to eating a balanced diet. When combined, these tactics can improve your general quality of life and reduce your chance of developing cancer.